For Unit 9, Day 1 Introduction, I wanted you just to kind of come up with your own definition of a polygon. So if this was done in class, I would have you guys write down your definition, and then we would speak out about the different ways you came up with what is a polygon. So for this, I'll just tell you that a polygon is defined as a closed figure with 3 or more straight sides. And then in this one here, this little chart, I just gave you what you name the different polygons. Of course, you should know, like, a triangle is 3 sides, quadrilateral is 4. And of course, you've learned that quadrilateral has different types of quadrilaterals, like square, trapezoid, rectangle, rhombus, kite. 5 side is pentagon, 6 is hexagon, 7 is heptagon, 8 octagon, 9 nonagon, 10 decagon. For 12, it's called a dodecagon, and if there is not a special name, you would say like 11-sided figure is 11gon, or a 14-sided figure is a 14agon. Okay? Down here, I want to know, state whether the figure is a polygon. If it is not, explain why. So, by looking at letter A, assuming that this closes, is this a polygon? Yes. Is B? No, because you have these curves here. They're not straight sides. C, yes. D, yes. E, no. It is not a closed figure right here. It's got a little bit of an opening. In the second last part here, so state whether the polygon is convex or concave. So concave is where the problem or the picture will actually cave back into itself. So an example of concave is like B. This shape caves back or goes back into itself. So this is a concave. The only other one that also is concave is letter D. And then the other two, A and C, these are both convex because they do not cave within itself. And then for the last part here, it says decide whether the polygon is regular. So the word regular, very important word when dealing in geometry, because if you have all angles and all sides congruent, then you have a regular polygon. So here, every single one of these angles are congruent to each other, and all my sides are also congruent to each other. In B, I do have all angles that are congruent, and I have opposite sides congruent, but this side is not the same as this side. So this is not regular. And in letter C, we check, do we have all angles the same and all sides the same? We do. So this is regular.